So there's several problems with these. The first one is that there are people in lab coats who are paid by food companies to engineer food, so they bypass your drive to eat to fulfill your nutritional needs. What that means, coming back to our diagram, remember we said in the beginning, the problem is not that you eat too much. The problem is, why do you want to eat more food than your body needs in the first place? And the answer is because your hormones are blocked or broken. Well, one of the things that blocks or breaks those hormones is processed convenience foods, junk foods, fries foods, fast foods. And not only do they block or break it, but they also bypass your body signals that are telling you to stop eating. They're designed like that. You don't stand a chance. There was an article in the New York Times about this by a food scientist who said, I feel sorry for the public. They don't stand a chance because they are paid to engineer food chemically, so you can't stop eating it. So try to avoid bringing those foods into your life. It's okay if you have them now and then. Totally fine. Nothing is off limits. But when you buy more of those foods and get addicted to those foods, then you really can't stop eating. Now, another thing to be aware of is the high fructose corn syrup and the sugar sweetened drinks, which actually impair your ghrelin response after meals. So even when you've had enough calories, your ghrelin is still telling you that you're starving. Obviously, we already know about sugar, which actually causes inflammation and also contributes to insulin resistance, which causes leptin resistance. And then all of these type of foods can cause inflammation, which is linked to that glucagon-like peptide production so that you don't feel full.